I am P. Somasankar Rao, School Assistant, ZPP High School, Mamidikudu. Now, I would like to express my appreciations towards Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This document is to make the students and youth to get inspiration from the extraordinary human Dr. Ambedkar. It is high time to the youth to strictly follow him. He is a sculptor who sculpted himself from an ordinary man to great personality. He is a model. He led an ideal life. He regarded Buddha, Kabir, and Jyotirao Phule as his gurus. He followed the Trinity and gave us a path to follow. He walked on thorny way and made it a smooth path to us. He is a wisdom treasure. What he knows is goal. What he don't know is vanity. Simple living is a difficult task, but he led simple living even though he became Law Minister of India. He gave us a strong, permanent constitution which stood in testing of time. If we take his life in 3 sections, first section as learning with difficulties surrounded around. Second section, higher education in UK and US. Third section, presenting wonderful constitution to our country. Ever meditated on the upliftment of the downtrodden people. Never deviated from his goal. He had no selfish motives. He contemplated on 2 aspects. Number 1, see his fellow men developed. Number 2, see the country developed. His education achievements are matriculation in 1908, BA in 1912, MA Economics, Sociology, History, Philosophy and Anthropology from Columbia University in 1915, PhD from Economics, DSc from Economics, MSc from Economics, Barrett Law in 1923, LLD from Columbia University, DLit from Osmania University, Hyderabad. He knows many languages like Marathi, Hindi, English, Gujarati, Pali, Sanskrit, German, Parsi and French. Political parties he established are Independent Labour Party in 1936, Scheduled Caste Federation in 1942, Republican Party of India in 1957. Educational societies he established: Depressed Class Educational Society, People's Educational Society, Siddhartha College, Milinda College. He established some newspapers also. They are Mook Naik, Bahishkrit Bharat, Samata, Janata and Prabuddha Bharat. Government of India honored him by awarding with the highest, noblest award Bharat Ratna in 1990. To search and research on his life is not an easy task. He contemplated for the upliftment of women and also every section of people. His concentration was ever on the compound development of the country. We have to study his life history to get enlightenment, to have vision of bright future, to know the value of time, to adhere for equal vision, to be ever learning, to know the known facts about him, to search for the unknown facts in his life. To discover him fully is an unending process. May the viewers focus on service and development with the help of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is an extraordinary human with enlightened philosophy. Jai Bhim, Jai Hind.